All right, it's payday and we gotta rush to town to get to the ATM, but Bonnie and Clyde are doing great. The chicken coop's coming along good. Doing a good job on the chicken coop. The chickens are going to be so much better off in there. Ton's getting the Wi-Fi antenna set up. He's doing a good job welding it. Everything's moving along pretty good here. I'm looking forward to getting that Starlink permanently installed. How's it going, Ton?
Good.
Is that metal welding up pretty good?
Yeah.
Good bead?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you wanna go in Calibo again?
Yeah, we're gonna go to Calibo and get some money for the workers. So, looks good, Ton. The CR is coming along good. Wow. Perfecto. Alright, Ton. Wow, leave for a few hours, come back, and we've made tremendous progress. Impressive. Wow, moving right along, huh? Good work. Alright. A lot going on here today. Yeah, your bead looks excellent, Tom. Excellent. Karen's getting a raincoat. She's freaking out because we're running out of time. Don't panic, it'll be okay. Take a deep breath. Getting the flag off. Alright. Good old Inco 350 amp inverter. Does alright with 6013 rods. Yeah, we'll put our raincoats on, and we got a nice porch for putting our raincoats on, huh? Well, guys, I'm happy. This is the most progress I've seen coming down here in the morning, afternoon, actually. So, things are just moving right along.
It's so rainy here, guys. We need to use a raincoat when we go to Calibo, because sometimes even in Calibo there's a heavy rain.
The amount of mud on the road right now is not good. It's actually deep again.
Yeah, the road there is terrible.
What is this, the beginning of rainy season again?
Yeah.
So rainy season ended like a week ago and it's just starting up
April
again?
is the hot. May is a little bit rainy.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was over. No?
No. Because mostly people are planting already their rice field. Start of planting rice again.
We need to buy rice fields. I have something to do. That looks good. He's using the regular, that roll we bought.
Yeah.
I thought we bought the net for that. But it looks good. Well, we actually got money out of the machine at VDO here in Bonga, which is a miracle. We stopped at the all-in-one because we were thirsty and I needed a little caffeinated beverage. And we got some Coke Zero and we tried a new drink out. Spring Sprite plus lemon, caffeine, and B3.
It's so good, guys.
It's good.
This is my first time to drink that also.
And it's so cold, it's good. Oh my gosh. Alright.
So tomorrow, guys, we'll just go to Calibo for another...
Tomorrow we gotta go to Calibo to get the wires. We're running late today, so we can't do the test on the AP because I can't get the supplies today because we're so behind schedule because of the rain.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we'll get it.
We should just go today, guys, in Calibo, but it's good that the BDO here in Banga is open, and we just got our money there instead of going Calibo, because the Banga is much near than going to Calibo, because we don't want to give the salary for our workers
Yeah,
late.
we don't want to be late. They do a good job for us, so it's important we give them their money on time.
Yeah. Oh, what happened to this?
Again?
Accident.
Incredible.
There's accident again. Same to what happened before.
How
Here.
does that keep happening?
Oh my goodness.
Deja vu all over again, the same place. Wow,
Yeah.
it's a ninja van.
Delivery.
Well, I hope he's okay. Almost went off the edge, but
Yeah.
that post, there's a post.
We made video also before that there's an accident in the same place.
Wow, so let me see that. So the same exact place, guys. The same exact place. And there's a baka down there. Beautiful, but the same place. It keeps happening over and over again.
And it caused traffic here.
So, pretty crazy.
It's
Here we go.
Woo. So our neighbors, guys, have a wiring here beside of the road, and I said to James that it's dangerous here. No, may tinapay ako yan, no. Ano lang yun, no? Juice. That's our workers, guys. They are buying tinapay or bread. I said to him that I have already a food for them.
Oh,
Uy. Crazy ride. We almost fell there.
are you okay?
Scared.
Scared? What happened? Did you pee again?
Yeah.
All right, it's the end of the day. It's getting on towards dusk. We got the workers paid. How many pesos was it?
More than 10,000.
So it's slightly more than 10,000. Bonnie and Clyde are just so tame. The Rhode Island Reds have been out all day. They don't know what to do with themselves being out. It's the first batch we hatched. They're eager to move into their new home here. We got to plant that little banana tree. The chickens have been pecking at it.
Because our worker, guys, removed the leaves of our bananas.
Yeah, he pulled up. It was sprouting another shoot, and he
That
pulled
is
it up.
Three.
Three?
Two. And third for this.
Okay.
Where's the one?
Over there.
No, it should be two.
There should
small.
be two. What did he do with them? Okay, but this is it's coming together, and I'll go give an update of the house before it gets too dark. You too. You're just so friendly. Who says geeses are mean? I know it's geese. I'm just teasing everyone. Who says geeses are mean? Are you mean, Clyde? Are you a meanie? You have a lot to say. Geese aren't mean, are they, Clyde? You're just misunderstood. I know you want to be friends. Okay. Alright, so Clyde's pretty tame. Those are a nice, pleasant pair of geese as I've ever seen. So I did a walkthrough before we went through to the bank earlier. Ton's hard at work on the antenna right now. He's cutting it. We're gonna hang the, so we got space. That 90 degree there is for hanging the access point on, and then we're putting the Starlink on top of there. And they got a good portion of the tiles in the master bedroom. This guy's gonna come back and work tomorrow, even though it's Sunday. He wants to. Ton's getting the master bathroom together, and we're about ready just to move in down here. And the next thing will be to get my studio done, so we can make better content, better place to put our computer equipment. They stopped short of finishing this wall today, unfortunately, but they got a lot done this week. Ton's working in overtime today, so but we're moving along faster than we've been, that's for sure. And there's the footings for the water tower. I think the place will be habitable in a couple weeks. So, what do you think, Karen? We moving in next week or what?
It depends if there's a window already.
All right.
Because
You want the window before we move in. What are the window guys saying?
next week.
Next week? Early in the week or late in the week?
Maybe next week. I don't know yet.
All right, just next week.
Because if I say the specific, is sure I'm not the one who did that.
Yeah. All right. The barnyard's looking nice. I like it. It's the atmosphere here with all the animals. We just got to get the chickies in here. They're going to be a lot better off in here.
It's much better, guys, when they have house like this, especially when it's rainy.
Yeah. We got what's bothering me now is we got to weed our garden. We got to plant that banana. That bothers me. That poor banana plant. And then we got to get a bunch more going that way. You think we can get from Tatai or Ton to get us some more? Ton's busy.
What?
More bananas to go along this fence ride. So.
We have trees already. That is trees.
Trees?
Yeah.
Fence posts. Fence posts brought it out. All those trees there are fence posts.
Cacao.
But I want bananas.
We call that Madre de Cacao. That's
Say it
good
again?
for Madre de Cacao. That's good for furniture.
Okay.
When it's already old.
Apparently it's good for living fence posts. So what do we got to do tomorrow? Tomorrow we're meeting with the photographer. Okay. Drive a hard bargain, yeah?
Yeah, I have a little bit difficulty finding a videographer still.
Yeah.
Because most of people already book the date of our wedding also.
I'd hire a high school graduate that knows how to hold the camera. That would be my solution. No?
I don't know.
It's up to you though.
Because they don't know how to edit.
Clyde, what do you think, boy? Very much to say, huh? He's a good boy, Clyde. What do you think of Clyde, Karen?
Their team.
Yeah, they're very tame.
Even Roxy bite them.
Roxy should not bite them.
No, because Roxy noticed that they're eating in
She's
Roxy's
so jealous.
plate.
We can give them geese food, and she'll come over and eat the geese food just because she's jealous.
Because Roxy mean is that's my pot.
Yeah.
She don't want other animals use that too. It's my fault though.
Alright. Well, about time to head back up to the mountain, huh? Alright. We'll see you later, guys.
So we are cleaning this area so that we can plant that one bananas that our worker got from the other one. Because James is worried maybe it will die if you don't plant it now. And the geese is always following James, even where he goes. James,
You know,
your
they're great
loyal,
kids.
your
Very
loyal fans.
Good boy. Bonnie and Clyde are very loyal pals. You're such
They are
good,
talking to you.
you're such good little fellas.
So our YouTube channel should be James, Karen, Bonnie, and Clyde channel. Because they are the starring always of in our video, because when you go somewhere is they are there too.
They're more like dogs than geese. They're so friendly.
Yeah. That soil there is good
Well, they seem to be growing over this way pretty nice, huh?
Hmm.
It'd be a shame to leave that out overnight. The chickens
Yeah.
are pecking at it.
But I want this flat, James, flat, not like this, like a hilly one.
Level it? Go ahead. It's okay.
And later on, when we have enough money, is I want to use hollow blocks as fence until here, and then barbed wire.
Hollow block fence, yeah.
And then barbed wire at the top of it, so that the soil, James, won't go to other place. Right?
I don't know. Is the soil gonna get up and walk somewhere?
I.
I know what you mean.
Are you crazy? What
Want a
I mean?
retention wall of kind of
Yeah. Yeah. So that when we buy more compost, we know where to put only.
These two.
Maybe you accidentally hit them using the pick, huh?
No, I'm careful. I like them.
You want me to get the banana?
Yeah.
Let's go, Bonnie and Clyde.
Follow Karen, guys.
Follow
It's
me,
okay.
guys. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. They like to follow the people, guys. We have two like this big, but the worker maybe throw it. Shall I stand? So James know how to plant banana now. You never plant a banana in America, James, no?
No. Ton showed me.
You see these roots?
Yeah.
Not very like here, Biho, Make it more like here, James. Here, ho. Here.
There, you can lay the roots in there. Yeah? Go ahead, put it in there. Like that, huh?
Goody, goody. Kuya Christian is busy inside,
Yeah. Overtime.
Yeah. Because Chip give him an extra 330 plus
Wow.
pesos for the red horse. But Kuya said he just buy a food.
Hold it up for me, Karen.
Needs
More dirt.
this is organic fertilizer. James, they follow you too. Hi guys. This is my niece, guys. Megan, Mika, my niece Pilin, and my niece Mickey. So we are going to make them a cookies here. So I'm done already. Put the butter, sugar, eggs, and the all-purpose flour. So tonight is we gonna put also this Goya chips, milk chocolate. So my niece will gonna put it. Very excited to taste the cookies that we're gonna make here. But I think this two is not enough, so we're gonna get one more here in our refrigerator, so that more cheese, more chips, more delicious our cookies. Ikaw butang ka. Ang buksan mo daya ka. Tapos tanan ibuhos mo di ka. I am teaching my niece guys how to make cookies. They are watching here how to make it good. Tanan ka. Because I made them for my niece and for Tito James. So Mika is my videographer here. Mika, please hold the camera. I am teaching my niece guys how to vlog already. Wow, ganda, ganda pala. I-focus ka ang ano ka, focus ka. I-focus. Yan. We put 3 packs of chocolate chip cookies here. Are you excited, Ka? Yes? Gan, yes? My niece, guys, like sweets. So guys, it's time to put here our chocolate chip cookies. It's ready now. My niece are very attentive how I make cookies here. Makaralanggan.
Ay, pag-ulit lang. Basta pakanan. Ito kanan namin. Ito kanan.
Paborito man gani mo pa. Gan paborito man dagan. Matamis, may chocolate. Last night guys, I made a brownies also for them. It's still raining here in province.
Kung madaha,
Kung madaha doon.
sa ilohon,
Sa
lumay.
Ilohon. Ano. Nagabilog man da kung ano. Nagabilog na taron kung nagamelt abisa na sa oven.
Ipang mo mula ka lang,
Oo.
pag matapan.
Nagatapan da yun siya. Rambong. Uwa. Ano na ho? Pagsimbay naga.
Daan ka kudong.
My big videographer, guys. So we're gonna wait our oven a few minutes before we put our cookies. So let's put our cookies now. So it's cooked already. Our cookies. So let's remove. It's hot.
Ganda ka pa sa sabi-sabi. Tumatawa. Okay, ah.
So let's put here guys our ang kita-anan pa.
Sabi ka na, hindi lang sa nag-video lang. Ano ka na?
Hey guys. Katira wika. Nami man. Oh, aesthetic man. Nami man. Oh, abo ah. Damo ah.
Doon na lang.
Dua lang. Technique oh. Difel oh. Wala natin si ano. Day oh. Cookies. Ngay oh. Cookies.
Salang kami na ikaw. Lahat ng ito ito.
James. Cookies.
My gosh.